Hey guys, I'm back with a new tutorial, and I know it's been a really long time, but I'm super excited to show you the look I have today. I'm going to be doing a glitter cut crease. I've been super obsessed with glitter lately. I think it's like the perfect accessory for going out. It's great for girls' night looks. Thank you for all of my followers who have been sticking with me and waiting. So let's get into it.
Alright, so I already have my eyebrows finished and ready to go. Now I'm just going to put a nice thin layer of concealer onto my lid. I'm going to use that as a primer for my eyeshadow so I have something to stick to. I'm going to use this magenta in my crease and kind of blend that upwards to my brow bone. I'm going to switch with a blending brush and I'm going to add a lavender to blend that out to my brows. I'm going to use a dark purple just to deepen the crease a little bit more. And then a black to really give it that nice deep effect. Once that's all blended out, I'm going to cut the crease with my concealer brush. And then add a little bit of purple to blend the ends. I'm going to use my NYX glitter primer and these 3 different glitters I got from Mila Cosmetics. I'm going to use the fine glitter on my lid. And just make sure I place that over nice and evenly. And then I'm going to use this adhesive I got from Amazon to really get the chunky glitter on so it stays. Now I'm just going to add my winged liner. And then clean that up with a little bit of concealer. And there we go. So that's how you do a glitter cut crease. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.